British hubby made British food. British food. Yorkshire, although, anyway, it's not from Yorkshire, but it's Yorkshire pudding, in case you haven't known. I ate a lot of them and then realized they would be the perfect little shots, don't you think? Like you put gravy in and eat, but how come we've never put Patron inside? It's because people aren't thinking outside the box like me. Oh, now this might be delicious, or I might have ruined a wonderful Yorkshire pudding. Chin chin! I mean, good idea. Take a shot and then eat it. Let me get a bit of the soap. It's quite a strong shot. I'm not sure Yorkshire and tequila go very well together. But the part's untouched by tequila. It's delicious. Now, I've gone and ruined the middle. No, you can't have any. This is mummy. This is adult food. Adult food.